Hi, today we're going to be looking at comparing and ordering numbers. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to be looking at is the number line, and let's understand what the number line is for. The number line is a line that has numbers going across from left, oh, from left all the way to right. And the purpose of a number line is to gauge the size of different numbers as they relate to each other, okay? The one important thing that you want to think about whenever you're creating a number line is recognize that the increments that the numbers change by have to be identical. So in this case, the increments between every different dash here is 1 million. So we start at 1 million at one end and we finish all the way to 19 million. You could start 1 to 10, you could go 1 to 100, you could go 100,000 to 500,000. It doesn't matter. What's important, however, is the increments have to be equal. So in this case, every difference is 1 million. So 1 million to 2 million, 2 million to 3 million, 3 million to 4 million. Okay, great. Now let's look at how we could order numbers on this number line. So if we think of three different random numbers, so let's say 3.8 million is one number, 17 million is another, and let's do 0.5 million. Okay, so this one's probably the easiest one to plot. Okay, if we were to plot 17 million, it would fit right here. That's pretty easy. That's 17 million, right? If we were to plot 3.8, it's a bit harder, but it's not too hard. We know that the 3 millions right here and the 4 millions right here. 3.5 would probably fall somewhere here. Okay, so 3.8 would probably be right here. And the 0.5 million, well, that's under 1 million since this is 1 million and this is 0 right here. 0.5 would probably be somewhere around here. So 0.5, this would be 3.8, and this would obviously be 17. Cool. Okay, let's look at some other examples. Here we have 8 countries with their respective populations, and let's start plotting these populations, these numbers, onto our number line. So let's start with the country of Cyprus. Cyprus has a population of 1.17, so this is 1, this is 2. Well, 1.17 is close to 1.2. I would say it's about here. Remember, this is a guess. This is an estimation. It's roughly around here, give or take a little bit, maybe here, maybe here. But generally speaking, it's about here. Senegal is at 15.59 million, so almost 15.6. This is 15, this is 16. 15.6 would probably fall around here. Syria, 18.56 would probably fall around here. Cuba at 11.39 would probably fall around here. Sweden at 9.85 would probably fall around between 9 and 10, but it's really close to 10, so probably around here. Denmark 5.69, so 0.69 is larger than 0.5, so it's past the halfway, but it's not quite there yet, so probably maybe around here, almost 3/4 in. Latvia at 1.95. 1.95 is super close to 2. So this is 1, this is 2. Latvia is very close to 2. It's almost 2, but not quite. And Armenia, 3.03. It's just a hair above 3. So this is 3 million. It's just like a hair above 3. So it's probably right here. Cool? So we've got the different countries plotted. Now let's try ordering these countries, right? So let's do this very simple question here. Order the following populations in order of smallest to largest, right? So here they're all mixed up, right? How would we order them? Well, we kind of did that in the previous presentation. We kind of ordered them. But if we were just to do it without a number line, well, we probably know that this is the smallest, right? Because it's a 1, and so is this. These two are really close, right? Remember, they were here and here. So this is the smallest. Cyprus would probably be number 1. Latvia would be number 2. And then what comes after 1.95? What comes after 2? Well, 9 is big, 5, they're all big. Oh, Armenia is pretty close at 3. Then after that, I think the 5.69, which is Denmark, would probably be the 4th. And then it'll be Sweden at 9.85, then Cuba at 11.39, then Senegal, then Syria. I think I got that right. Let's check out the answers. Cyprus, number 1. Latvia, number 2. That's correct. Armenia, number 3. Denmark, number 4. Correct. Sweden, number 5. Correct. Cuba, number 6. Senegal, 7. And Syria, number 8. And here they are ranked from smallest to largest population. Great. Thank you.